started as a coach as well as an athlete, but I realized the challenges that we have. There's some other people that don't have the privilege that I have, the regardless of me not having anything I needed. So I looked around and I found a place that will remind me of where I come from. And I said, I don't want to have the machine that everybody else is doing. I want to use the same mentality to approach and to say it's doable without what the necessities other people have. So basically, this gym is, we do what we call group training, and we support each other from different angles. So we're not only training athletes, we're training everybody that wants to be conditioned, regardless of where, which background you're coming from. And we do it holistically, whereby we have to sit down with you, try to see what is it that makes you lose weight, what is it that makes you gain weight, what is the problem area. That's what we normally tackle. Basically, it's almost everyone who's anyone. It's from different angles, like I said. There's one cutter for who you are. As long as you want to train, you want to look good, you want to just for the health reasons. Okay, what I've done is I've introduced Patrice Molefe. Patrice Molefe was actually a hero that died in 1964. And then when I was driving around the park, I realized that there was a park in Togoza Park where people are training. But here there is no motivation to something that they can do bigger. So then I took that idea to say, okay, why don't we take that idea and make it something out of it? So then we realized there's women, there's old people, there's youngsters. So we groom that and we make it a sport event that people can come. So bodybuilding is one of the sports that is involved in every activity, but in a different manner. Now we've got group training, your aerobics, we've got strongman competition, we've got the Ironman competition. So that gives platform to everyone within the family. You've got no excuse just to keep yourself active. Start at home, change your eating habits, and try to get more, your diet plan is the most important.